Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. I picked up this Dohiker 14 volt solar charger a couple of weeks ago on Amazon, and I thought it was worth making a little video on, just bringing it to you guys, showing you some of the features. As of right now, this recording, there is a $15 coupon on the Amazon item detail page. Of course, we have no idea how long that'll last, but I just love these little foldable, portable solar charger deals. I've had other ones in the past, but this one, we got this Velcro closure here. The top has another Velcro pocket. I don't know if you can see in there. There's also your USB ports. There's 2 ports. Incidentally, the Amazon item detail page says there is 3 USB ports, but I have definitive proof that there is 2. Not that you would need 3 on a 14-watt charger anyways. But so, there are your 2 solar panels. This little light here does turn red when you're out in the sun, and we are going to test it. I have this old cell phone here with a 1780 battery. It's dead. Oh, I can't hit the buttons without the cover on. Hold on. Didn't realize that. Okay. So, it'll turn back off. It's dead. And what I like about these things is it's funny how technology progresses, because the first solar panel type device I've had was this guy. Check that guy out. That is from Harbor Freight, and it is 5 watts. Look at it. It's heavy and big and rigid, not portable at all, and it's 1/5 the power of this guy. Yes. So our solar panel portion is about 2/3 of the size of the Harbor Freight. It's almost 3 times the capacity, much thinner, lighter, portable. Just crazy how technology progresses. I've also had another one of these. You gotta fold this guy in, so then that goes like that, then that goes like that. You see the little grommets? Whoops, you can't see them now. You see the little grommets here, by the way. See, there's 2 on that side. 2 on the bottom. Let's see, now it's powering off because it's dead. And it comes with 2 of these little clips for hanging them on things. Ones I've had in the past, I had one, I think it was called a black box or something. I wish I could find it. I was looking all over before I did the video, couldn't find it. It was a 5 watt, so it was the same as this Harbor Freight rigid thing, but it was the style that folds up like this. It had 1 USB port. The problem with that one is, at nighttime or when there was no sun, it would actually draw power out of the battery. I remember looking it up back in the day, and there was something about a diode or a blah blah blah, or I'm not an electrician or anything like that, I don't know. But the basics were it would kill the battery. If you left it plugged in overnight, let's say it charged during the day, you left it plugged in all night, you come back the next morning, battery's dead. It decharged, it discharged overnight. So that was awful. This thing doesn't do that. Also, with any of these things, you have to be really careful of heat, because as you're charging the device, it's going to get hotter. Plus, this thing's obviously out in the sun, so it's probably in a hot location. So I have this, it's like a 4 or 5 foot USB cord I use, but you can get extension cords for USBs, and you really want the device itself out of the heat the best you can. If you can put it in a shady spot. Hell, I've put the damn phone in a cooler before while the solar panel was laying on top of it. Sometimes it's really good to hang these things in a window. Before I got tired of having to unplug it every night, that black box one I used to use, I had hanging up in a window in my house, and then I would just plug it in during the day. It actually worked pretty well. But I think one thing that would be very interesting for anyone watching the video is how fast does this thing charge a cell phone. So that's why we showed you this battery. We're going to put it out on the deck. It is a mildly sunny day in northern Illinois, so it's not like Arizona or something. And we're going to see how much it charges. I'll check on it periodically. And out on the deck, as you can see, it needs to be stained. If anyone's volunteering, leave a comment down below. But, see, it's overcast out. We don't have a full, bright, sunny day, but it'll still give us a good test on the old phone here. If we look at the phone here, I don't think you guys are going to be able to see it. Damn it. Well, the red light's on, if you can tell. I don't know if you can see it there. Hopefully you guys can see it. The red light's on. Let's let this sit for a while, come back, and we'll check on the progress. It's been 1 hour. Let's see where we're at. Keep in mind, it's a cloudy day. I don't control the weather. Oh man, we're gonna have to hold on. So you can see after 1 hour of charging, we are up to 52%. It actually is pretty decent. While we're sitting here charging this thing, I thought we'd play around a little bit. I plugged a second USB into the other port, and you can see I just got hooked up here. If you do this yourself, black is your ground, red's your power wire. So looking at the amps right now, we're bouncing between 0.4 and 0.5. I don't know if unplugging this other one would affect that really at all. Now I just have my spliced USB. And if we go over to the volts, see we're at 5.25 volts, which is correct for the output voltage on typical USB device. I grabbed this thing real quick, a little Kodak USB. I don't know if we'll be able to see on here. See the output voltage at the bottom, it's 5 volts and 1 amp for this charger. We'll do one more check-in with the phone. We're at about the 2-hour mark right now, and we have made it up to 89%. Not too shabby under cloud-filled skies. There it is, your Dohiker 14-watt solar charger. As I mentioned earlier, there is a $15 coupon on the Amazon item detail page, so I'll put a link down below if you are interested. It is our only friend, the end. Before taking off, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you are not already subscribed to the channel, also consider becoming an official member of Struggleville with the join button down below. Membership start at just 99 cents. As a member, you get access to discounted merch, behind the scenes videos, and in-video shoutouts.